Have you ever wondered who the Shakespeare of mathematics was? A mind so prolific that his collected works fill nearly 90 volumes. Today, we're diving into the extraordinary life of Leonhard Euler, the 18th century genius whose theorems are the bedrock of modern science and engineering. Born in Basel, Switzerland, in 1707, Euler's father, a pastor, initially wanted him to follow in his footsteps and study theology, but a family friend, the renowned mathematician Johann Bernoulli, spotted the young boy's incredible talent for numbers. He convinced Euler's father to let Leonhard pursue his true passion. At just 10, Euler enrolled at the University of Basel, and by 16, he had earned his Master of Philosophy. His destiny was set. Euler's career took him across Europe, from the St. Petersburg Academy of Sciences in Russia to the Berlin Academy under Frederick the Great. Imagine this, even after losing sight in his right eye in his early 30s, and later becoming almost completely blind, his productivity didn't just continue, it accelerated. He possessed a photographic memory and immense mental calculation skills, allowing him to compose complex papers entirely in his head, dictating them to his scribes. This period is when he produced some of his most groundbreaking work. So, what did he actually give us? Well, if you've ever used the number e in calculus, the symbol I for imaginary numbers, or the Greek letter pi for the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter, you're using Euler's notation. He standardized them. He introduced the concept of a function, fx, which is fundamental to all of mathematics today. His famous formula, e to the power of I pi plus e equals ln, is often called the most beautiful equation in mathematics, elegantly linking 5 of the most important numbers. But his influence wasn't just confined to pure math. In physics, his equations describe the motion of fluids and the buckling of beams, which are crucial for designing airplanes and bridges. In astronomy, he calculated the orbits of comets and planets with stunning accuracy. He even delved into music theory and cartography. Euler's curiosity knew no bounds, and his ability to connect different fields was unparalleled. He laid the groundwork for graph theory with his solution to the famous 7 bridges of Nixburg problem, a puzzle that kickstarted an entire new branch of mathematics. Leonhard Euler passed away in 1807, but his intellectual legacy is immortal. He was a devoted family man, a person of deep faith, and a relentless scholar who showed us that the universe is written in the language of mathematics. His work is a testament to the power of human intellect and the beauty of discovery. He didn't just solve problems. He created the tools for generations of scientists and thinkers to solve theirs. So, the next time you see a complex equation or marvel at an engineering feat, take a moment to remember the brilliant mind of Leonhard Euler, the master of us all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the history of science, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories about the geniuses who shaped our world. See you in the next video.